drawing friends, welcome back to Joss's Kids Draw. I'm Joss and today we're going to be drawing a puppy. For this you'll need some paper, something to color with, and something to draw with. Anything will work. I'll be using my sketchbook, a Sharpie to draw with, and Faber-Castell colored pencils to color with. Make sure you have something under your drawing so that you don't get anything on your table. Now, before we draw, make sure you press the thumbs up button and the subscribe button down below. Now, let's get to drawing. If you don't have your drawing supplies yet, make sure you pause the video and go get them. Now, to get onto the drawing, I'm going to take the lid off my Sharpie. Now, we're going to draw a circle. This is going to be the head of our puppy. Now, to the side of that, I'm going to draw a C shape, connecting in to the bottom. Now, you're going to do the same on the other side. C shape, connecting into the bottom. And remember, if I go too fast, you can always pause the video, do the step, and then press play. Now, underneath the head, we're going to draw the body. You're going to draw one line coming down here. I'll do the same on the other side. One line going slightly diagonally. Now, at the bottom, I'm going to draw a U and extend that U up. And we're going to do that here too. Going to draw a U and extend it up. Now, underneath that, we're going to draw a little line to connect. Okay, now over here, we're going to draw a C and connect that in. Over here, we're going to draw a backward C. We're going to connect that in. Okay, now we're going to draw another little C and a backward C here. Now, to make those into little paws, we're going to draw two little lines. Two little lines. Two little lines. Two little lines. Now we need to draw the face. You can do your face whatever you want, but here's how I'll be doing my face. I'm going to draw two circles, nice and big. Then I'm going to draw a little circle inside that circle, and then an even tinier one in the top. I'm going to do that on the other one too. Circle on the bottom, the circle at the top. Now I'm going to color in everything except the little circles. Okay, now I'm going to draw a line in between those two, a little down. Now, I'm going to draw a little line and another little line to make a V. And right now, it's like an upside down triangle. Now, I'm going to color that in for the nose. Now, I'm going to draw the mouth. So I'm going to draw a line down. Then I'm going to do a little U shape. And then another little U shape. And here's an optional part. You can draw a big U underneath and add a line in for a little tongue. Now you can customize this any way you want now. If you're not sure how you want to color it, here's how I'll be coloring it. First, I'm gonna color in this little C shape here and this little C shape here, the ears. I'm gonna color them in light brown. Now I'm going to be coloring in the head, except for the tongue and the little circles in the eyes. I'm going to be coloring them the same color that I colored the ears. I'm going to color in the body and the legs the same color I colored the head and the ears. I'm going to color the tongue in pink. Now here's some optional coloring steps. You can take a darker brown and do a little bit of shading. You can color that in just by the ears and the head. Just color that slightly. You can do the same on the other side. I'm also going to do that below the head. And behind the leg here. Do that on the other side too. Behind this leg too. And this one. And these little paws. And that's how you draw a puppy. I'm sure you did great. If you want to show me your artwork, ask your parents or teacher to email me a picture to jossaskidsdraw@gmail.com. If yours doesn't look like mine, that's fine. Being unique is great. Plus, as long as you had fun, that's what matters most. And remember, practicing will pay off. I'll see you guys later, so keep on drawing till then. Bye!